Have you ever thought of a kid who is curious about everything, like it's touching, feeling, realizing, wondering about everything? Ever thought about it? Ki what would it feel like to be that kind of curious, but being an adult at the same time? You know what? That curiosity, noticing, exploring, learning really keeps your brain playful, flexible, and ready for whatever it comes next. Hi, I'm Saloni. Welcome back to my channel. And in the long video segment, we do talk heart to heart. And today we are going to talk about why you should never stop growing mentally. So, like always, I have splitted this video in different segment, and I would again recommend you to stay till the end of this video. And without any further delay, let's start. Here comes the point number one. Mental growth keeps things interesting. So when you keep learning, thinking, reflecting, the life stops feeling repetitive. It's like रोज सुबह उठना, उठकर ऑफिस जाना, ऑफिस से वापस आना, या जिसका जैसा schedule है, if we keeps on doing day by day, years by years, you would see that कि life becomes repetitive and non-interesting. If you really want to add little like upgrade in life, then you should start growing mentally. How, I will tell you in the upcoming part of the video. So coming back to the point number one, mental growth keeps things interesting. You will notice new ideas, new opportunities. Even the smaller shift will make your day every day feel fresher. For example, listening to a podcast on a random topic a day while doing household chores or while commuting to office can really turn your ordinary day into a mini learning adventure suddenly. Point number two. So mental growth builds resilience. It prepares you to be ready for whatever it comes, whatever uncertainty you are going to face in the life. मेंटल ग्रोथ डजंट मीन अवॉइडिंग मिस्टेक, क्योंकि हम सब यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज होते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट not doing mistakes. You are absolutely allowed to do mistakes, but it means understanding them, learning from them, and coming back stronger. The small lessons adds up faster and you don't even realize it. Suddenly the challenges will then feel the challenges feels lighter, and you will see this shift if you like start practicing the mental growth activities. Now you will ask me, what do you exactly mean by, Saloni, mental growth activity? So I will give you an example. Taking out 5 minutes for a breathing exercise or meditation in the morning before kick starting a stressful day can actually calm and heal your mind and help you reset, and can give you space to respond instead of react. Think about it. Point number three is a game changer. So, better mental growth actually helps you to connect with people in a deeper way. I'll explain. As your mind grows, so does your perspective. You understand yourself better, you understand others better, and then this entire horizon converts into a richer feeling, richer conversation, and you end up building deeper bonds with people. Point number four, and this one is interesting. So mental growth is important to rewire your brain, or let me put it simply, to keep your brain younger. Now younger means what? Keep your brain younger means what? Mental growth is not all about thinking stuff, but it is also about doing simple things. For example, learning new languages, learning new skills, solving puzzles, or it can be as simple as dancing, drawing, or doing the same thing but in a completely different way. All these activities actually rewire your brain, and this exactly scientists called as neuroplasty, meaning your brain flexibly forming new connections and ready for any kind of challenges. And here's the cool part. The more your brain grows, the younger it becomes, not in years, but how nimble, curious, and adaptive it stays. It's just like giving your brain a playful workout and keeping it fun and full of life, just like a kid who never stops discovering. Point number 5, that we generally don't realize that growing mentally is a future investment. How? The more your mind expands, the less you feel trapped by your old habits or thoughts. You get to choose instead of react. You get to live intentionally. Hear me out. You get to live intentionally and in a satisfying way. And here's the best part: mental growth doesn't just make your life easier today, it makes you future ready. It sculpts you in a way that you become ready to spot opportunities, handle challenges, and embrace whatever comes next as with more confidence. Your mind, if I have to give you another example, your mind becomes prepared like a compass pointing towards the future possibilities. Now that we have talked about how future fit it makes you, there is another important point, and that is our point number 6, that mental growth strengthened your willpower. So mental growth isn't just about thinking differently, it's about being stronger from inside, doing whatever you are doing but in a consistent way, even if you don't feel like doing it on that particular day. That is how your willpower grows in parallel when you embrace your mental growth. The more your mind learns, adapts, and challenge itself, the more self confidence and discipline you naturally build. You start saying no when it matters. If you know you keep your mental growth in check, you start saying no where it matters. You stay focused on what exactly is important for you, and you resist old habits that don't serve you anymore. Like I said, this could be one good example of it. Practicing a daily 10 minutes mindfulness or focused exercise on the day when you don't feel like doing it can train your brain to stay present, strengthen to stay present, and it strengthen your ability to stick to your future goals. In short, a growing mind is a stronger and more determined mind, and your willpower grows quietly, steadily, and without forcing it, and without you even realizing it. With this point, we have almost come towards the end of the video. I hope you find all these points meaningful, and if you are still here, I would want to end this video with this message: never stop growing mentally, not to impress anyone, not to reach perfect version of yourself. Do it to make your life feel richer, brighter, and little lighter every day. With this, I will sign off. Bye bye.